안녕하세요. 봄쌤입니다. Hi everyone, Bahari here. Welcome to Bahari TV, where you learn English and much more. Are you ready? Let's go. Congratulations on finishing lesson 2 of the beginner level. This video is a test for lesson 2. There are 5 questions. Read and answer carefully. For each question, you have 5 seconds to think and answer. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a question. Which one is correct? Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B because you cannot say good dreams. You cannot say sweet dream. It has to be sweet dreams. Good is not the correct word for dreams. The correct answer is C. Why? Because see you is both formal and informal. However, I'm looking forward to meeting you again is more formal, and have fun is not formal. The correct answer is C, later, because farewell and goodbye are both formal. The correct answer is A, because we have a location at the restaurant. So see you there is correct. We can also use see you later, but since we have a location, it's better to say see you there. But see you later is also correct. The correct answer is A, take care, bye, because farewell and goodbye are both formal, but bye is informal, so we cannot mix informal with formal. Well done! You are done with this test. If you answered correctly, congratulations. And if not, it's okay, don't worry. You can always practice more. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye!